Good day. My name is Raul Elmalin III, and I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Managerial Engineering at Mapua University, with an expected graduation date of February 2028. Ever since I was young, I have been passionate about aviation and have dreamed of becoming a professional pilot. My goal is to build a successful career with Philippine Airlines, where I can contribute through dedication, professionalism, and a strong commitment to safety and excellence. Throughout my academic journey, I have developed valuable skills in leadership, communication, teamwork, and critical thinking, and decision making. As a managerial engineering student, I have completed research proposals, technical reports, case studies in operations management, and data analysis projects that strengthened my analytical and problem solving abilities. Beyond academics, I am proud to be a member of the Mapua men's table tennis team. During NCAA Season 99, I was honored to receive the Freshman of the Year award. Being part of a competitive team has taught me discipline, resilience, time management, and the importance of working together toward a common goal. I have also assisted in organizing team training sessions and supporting my teammates, which further developed my leadership skills. I am proficient in Microsoft Office applications, learn quickly, and pay close attention to detail. I remain calm under pressure and always strive to deliver my best to every task I undertake. As I continue as I continue working toward earning my aviation license and certifications, I am committed to continuous learning and professional growth. I look forward to applying my skills, work ethic, and passion for aviation in an organization that values safety, integrity, and excellence. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume. I appreciate your consideration and look forward to the opportunity to contribute to your organization. Thank you and have a wonderful day.